The Director, Senior Secondary Education Department, Hajiya Binta Abdulkadir, at the nationwide inter-secondary schools debate competition held at Federal Ministry of Education Conference Hall here today. I don't know whether there's a chairman, but I will just go, distinguished ladies and gentlemen again, students, teachers. It is with profound honor and great delight that I welcome you all to this year's nationwide inter-secondary school debate competition organized by Bring It On Africa in collaboration with Federal Ministry of Education, Abuja. This gathering is not merely an event, but a celebration of intellect, eloquence, and the democratic spirit that lies at the heart of education. Debate, as we all know, is one of the most powerful instruments of learning. It is a discipline that compels us to think critically, to question assumptions, and to articulate our ideas with clarity and conviction. For our students, it is a platform to sharpen their to sharpen their reasoning, to cultivate confidence, and to develop the courage to engage meaningfully with diverse perspectives. This competition underscores our collective commitment to nurturing a generation of young Nigerians who are not only knowledgeable but also capable of engaging constructively in dialogue. In a world increasingly defined by complexity and diversity, the ability to debate responsibly is essential. It teaches respect for differing opinions, fosters empathy, and strengthens the values of tolerance and mutual understanding. I wish to commend the organizers of this competition for mentoring and guiding these students with dedication and patience. Your role in shaping their intellectual journey cannot be overstated. To our participants, I say this: whether you emerge victorious or not, you are all winners. By standing here today, you demonstrate courage, discipline, and a passion for knowledge. These qualities will serve you well beyond the walls of this competition. As we commence, let us remember that debate is not about defeating an opponent, but about discovering truths altogether. It is about learning to listen as much as it is about speaking. It is about building bridges of understanding, not walls of division. On behalf of the Federal Ministry of Education, I extend my warmest welcome to each and every one of you. May this competition inspire us all to think deeper, speak clearer, and act wiser. May it ignite in our students the flame of intellectual curiosity and the spirit of responsible citizenship. Thank you and enjoy the competition. Thank you. Thank you.